This is the boy who likes to play with switches. What plane has two number lines? Coordinate. Coordinate. And that one's here, 18, coordinate. So the letter T, here. Has two number lines that intersect at a point called the point. I just said it. Called the origin. Remember, this is called the origin, and that's the letter N. The horizontal number line is called the x-axis. That's the letter E. X-axis. The vertical number line is called the y-axis, and that is U. The two axes, A-X-E-S, divide the coordinate plane into four parts called quadrants. Good. Quads. We had to fix them. The location of a point in the coordinate plane is given using an ordered pair. The first number is the x-coordinate. The second number is the You have to do this by yourself. Label the origin, axes, and quadrants in the figure at the top of the answer column. Quadrants are labeled in Roman numerals. So quadrants always go I, and IV. They start here and they go clockwise or counterclockwise? Counterclockwise. Good. I'm going to move this up, erase, and keep going. Or do you guys want to do it by yourself? All right? So do that while I'm getting ready to do the next one. All right. For an equation with two variables, x and y, a pair of values, x, y, that make an equation true is called a solution of the equation. Each solution is an ordered pair. Good. That's H. The value of x is written first. The value of y is written second. Excuse me, stop the private conversations. Each solution can be represented as a point in the coordinate plane. The set of all points representing solutions is called the graph of the equation. An equation in two variables has an infinite number of solutions, so there is an infinite number of points in the graph. Remember, any 2 points, you can stick another one in between it, right? So let's say your point is at 0 and 1. A half comes between it. What comes between 0 and a half? A quarter. Between 0 and a quarter, an eighth. 0 and an eighth, the 16th. You just keep making the denominator bigger. And you can keep going and going and going and going and going. You could always make it big, make it smaller. If the graph of an equation in two variables is a straight line, the equation is a straight line. So what would it be? Linear. That's what straight line is, linear. Every solution can be represented by a point on the line, and every point on the line represents a solution of the equation. For example, the equation y equals 2x plus 5 is a linear equation because its graph is a line.
Intercept.
No, it's not an intercept. One solution of this equation is, so take these numbers and substitute them. What's 2 times 3 plus 5?
11.
Oh, this one must be the 1. One solution of the equation is 3, 11, because it makes this true. That's a solution of the equation. 2x plus 3y equals 90 is a linear equation because it's
Intercept.
graph is a line. In a linear equation, the highest power of either variable, power meaning x to the first, x to the second, x to the third, power. In a linear equation, the highest power of either variable is the,
Intercept.
no, this, x to the, is that to the first, to the second, to the third? First. Now all you have to do is put the right letters in the right numbers and then you'll have the answer. And don't forget, you need to do the one on top.